Hi, I'm Chris Marchant and I'm part of the organising team for the Ellesmere Port STEAM Festival. STEAM is science, technology, engineering, art and maths, and we've had a whole range of workshops here at the National Waterways Museum in Ellesmere Port this week. We've had 1,200 primary school pupils come through and 300 of those have seen Educraft's fabulous Pixels workshop.
Hi, I'm Steve Jevons and I direct Ignite Institute, which is a collaborative of local schools, all with the one mission of trying to improve outcomes for young people. And it's been wonderful to see 1,200 children here at the Waterways Museum in Ellesmere Port learning about all things STEAM. It's been fantastic to have Dave and the crew from Educraft here this week doing some computer programming with the children, and every single child that's left this room, I've seen a smile on their face, and it's opened their horizons to lots of new things.